What's up, guys? It's Mo, and today I have for you a plan with me, featuring this kit from the Planner Shack. It's like that backyard summertime kit, and this is actually for Marcus's first birthday. This is the birthday kit that I chose for him. I could not find, honestly, a lot of little boy birthday kits, and I want to show you. I really love this. Layout that I did. I really love that one at the end of summer. But this is for Marcus's birthday. I'm going to also be using the birthday foil overlays that I have in the shop. And then I realized that I have the happy planner size and not the like standard vertical size here in a second. And then I also have some of these scripts. I have a video on how to turn your handwriting into stickers. I don't think I end up using those scripts though. But you can see that you get a ton of things, or a ton of, things, planner stickers in this kit from the Planner Shack. Sometimes if I am looking for a specific type of kit, I will just go for different shops that I don't normally buy from. I think I have a couple kits from the Planner Shack, so I like them. I think that the artwork is nice. There's a great use of the clip art for the full boxes and stuff. So I decided not to use the washi washi strips, bottom washi from the kit, because they were a little bit too floral, a little bit too girly, and I really wanted this to be like a little boy kind of theme. So I don't even use the girl, like fashion girl sticker, the long box either. And I couldn't find a flippin' ruler, so I busted out the cover to one of my little planner memory things to use as a straight edge to rip my washi. I think this watercolor washi tape is from, I don't know, the Happy Planner or something, like way back in the way back. I have started, because I'm kind of planning more how I used to, I've started using bottom washi and stuff like that. And then this striped washi is from something from the Dollar Spot, I think, ages ago. That was Easter. And I mean, you'll never be able to find it, but I think it was like Easter. So here I'm deciding whether or not I want to put these birthday candles on the top or the bottom washi. And then this is when I realized that I actually pulled out the overlay kit for the long vertical size 1.5 by 1.9, by 2.5, instead of the standard vertical of 1.5 by 1.9. But it works out because the boxes are squished together, so the spacing is the same as the long vertical ones. And now I'm deciding if I want to use overlay tape from Rose Colored Days. And guys, it's hot. I'm in my car filming this voiceover on my lunch break, and I decide I don't want to use the date overlays. What is that called? Like foiled overlay tape, because it's not going to match up with the date covers that are on there. And honestly, now that I'm looking at this spread as I'm laying it down, I kind of think I should have used the foiled overlay tape things, because I really like those. If you can't tell, I am down with the foil. I'm loving foil. So I'm just putting this down, or the date covers down, then I'll put the days down. And like I said, this is for Marcus's first birthday. He turns 1 on the 24th. He was born Central Time, 7/24 on 8/24 of 2019. So I'm putting this down for him. I think I couldn't decide whether or not to do his birthday week spread like the week before his actual birthday or on the week of his actual birthday. And it turns out we're going to do stuff with Zach's family, only, on the last weekend of August. So here I end up deciding that that the bow, washi tape from the kit would look okay on the bottom there. So I ended up using that. So yeah, now I'm going to go put down my, what are these called? Glitter headers. And I do have a video on my channel on this is also how I put down like a base kit, or the base of a kit, or whatever you want to call it, because it's the end of July right now, and I'm recording and filming and voiceovering this plan with me for the end of August. So this is a pre-plan, but I do have a video on my channel on how I lay down like a base kit, like how my step-by-step process of putting down a kit when I don't really know what's happening. So this is what it is. I have a vague idea. Obviously, we're going to do something that weekend for Marcus's birthday. Marcus's birthday is on the 24th, so I have sort of an idea, but guys, I just like stickers. I just want to put stickers everywhere. If it's a sticker, I want it and I want to put it down and I want to look at it and I want it to be pretty. So, I'm just putting down my glitter headers. Eventually I go in with the different overlays from the birthday kit. So the birthday overlay printable has fireworks on it and then also birthday stuff. So, I mean, I really like to do that. I think I'm going to do a video on like how you guys can break those up, because if you do get just one overlay printable, it has quote unquote 2 sets with it. But if you need a full set of full boxes, you'll have to print these guys twice. I'm hoping this makes sense. So you get 4 of each design in the full boxes. And I wanted to sort of maximize what you guys got for your money. So you're getting 2 designs and you just print them twice. So I think you're getting more for your buck than if I were just to give you guys one design. Hopefully that makes sense. And I think I said this in another video too, that I want you guys to have to be able to purchase a variety with one purchase, if that makes sense. So I'm laying down the full boxes now. I do this thing where I think I'm splitting the full I love this little baby right here. I should have put him on the 24th. For some reason, I thought the 25th was the Monday. I don't know. I think I was thinking about what the calendar, like the monthly view, looks like when the monthly starts on a Sunday. So I should have put the little boy on Monday, but I didn't. But I did split up the like double box scene over the spine. Since these boxes are pushed together, the double box scenes don't really line up properly. When it comes to laying down your stickers, they don't line up because most standard vertical layouts have a space between the boxes, and this doesn't. So I laid that over the spine, and then now I go in. I'm going to use my ruler, my little straight edge from my memory box thing, to trim up these boxes, the full overlay gold whatever boxes. Guys, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm losing my mind. And this goes to show you that you can kind of, maybe if you're doing maybe what I'm doing, which is kind of a bullet journal in the dot grid pages, where you kind of have to lay your boxes out close together, then this long vertical kit that's sized for like the happy planner and whatnot is going to fit your standard vertical stickers. It's just you'll have to trim them down. So you could kind of trim them maybe even in Cricut Design Space. Maybe I'll show you. I don't know. You could even trim them in Cricut Design Space, like I'm saying. You can trim them afterwards like I'm doing now. But the length of the washi and the length of like the header overlays for the long vertical foil overlay printable is perfect, because it fits perfectly across the 3 boxes and perfectly across the 4 boxes. You don't have to trim anything. So I can't decide. I have a bunch of overlay boxes from Rose Colored Days and Girl Boss Anna, or Boss Girl Anna. I think it's Girl Boss Anna. And I keep buying them because I keep thinking what happens is Rose Colored Days says, oh, I have new releases, and I just go buy everything. And I'm like, this isn't even really what I needed. So I'm using these overlay tapes that are like in gold frames, which I really like. But what I was looking for was like confetti overlays that don't look like the bougie boxes, where the bougie boxes are, you lay them down flat, like over, like not over a sticker, just on your paper, and the whole box is filled with the sparkle glitter whatever. I was kind of looking for something that has like a frame and not just total bougie box out. So here I'm deciding whether or not I'm actually going to use the little overlay, or not the overlay, the little fashion girl, and I decide not to. I end up using just some other full boxes from the kit in my sidebar here. And I think I've mentioned before that I kind of try and keep the sidebar looking open like the whole spread does. I don't do no white space. Plus, I would like to use bougie boxes, I think, but I write on the paper, first of all, and second of all, it doesn't really look that great when you have the dot grid behind it, so it's not that great. So now I think I'm putting down some washi tape down at the bottom, and I'm going to go in with a little part of the, like the extra 1.5 inches of the birthday candle overlay stuff, overlay tape from the printable that I have. And I think I'm going to continue to build my sidebar. I don't remember. Maybe I go and put down a flag to put down my, yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm putting down a flag to put down August, and going into a happy planner, happy planner sticker book to find August and put that down over my flag. Sometimes I'll do like a piece of deco there. I think I did that in my Monsters Inc. like base kit. Playing with me, I used a piece of deco because that kit didn't really have many flags. And now I don't normally do this, I don't think. No, I don't normally do this, but I've been liking watching other people doing their Playing with me's, and they have used the deco at the top of their spreads, and I really did like that. So I'm just putting some deco on up here and kind of trying to space it out. This one is so cute. It's a little truck. I love this for like a kid's birthday. I can't believe that Marcus is going to be 1. It seems, I keep looking back on pictures and I'm just like, I can't believe where we were a year ago, and I can't believe where we are now. I mean, motherhood is a journey, y'all. And I mean, it is, I don't know. I have never loved someone or something so much in my entire daggone life that sometimes I just stop and I just realize that I love him so much. Like, it's ridiculous how much I love this child. So now I'm going in to put some, what are these called? Little checklists. I usually put one every day. I cannot remember if this kit only had 5 or if it had 7. If there are 7, I put one every day. If there are 5, I just put them, spread evenly across the page. If there are more than 5 or more than 7, usually I'll put one in the sidebar because I do think that looks nice. And I think it kind of makes the spread look even and pretty and whatnot. Basically, all I'm doing here is trying to create just a nice looking type of spread. Oh, and here you'll see that if you get the long vertical printable, it fits perfectly. Like, it's not individual header stickers. It's just like a washi strip, and it fits perfectly across all 3 boxes, and then the longer one fits across all 4 boxes. And then I just go ahead and grab another long vertical, or another 2 long vertical overlays that I have printed before. One is bows and one is confetti, because I was like, I printed the wrong thing, I foiled the wrong thing, I don't have any more of the candle headers foiled, so we're just gonna go use bows and use confetti. So yeah, but like I said, I have so many foiled overlay things that I have made myself now, and it's ridiculous. I got hollow foil, and I need to get rose gold foil, and I still need to do a foil video for you guys. I just don't know how to present it. I don't know what kind of information to share with you guys. I think I'm just going to do a whole like how-to video. I don't know. And yeah, so I'm just going ahead and putting down another glitter header in the sidebar. Eventually I put some deco above that glitter header because I think it helps pull the whole thing together. I think that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, I think it helps pull that deco down below the August or whatnot. Some of it's too big. I kind of used all of the small ones at the top there, but I make it work. So then I'm just going to continue to build my sidebar. I don't really know. I can't really see what I'm doing here. I cannot remember. I know I'm saying I'm recording this voiceover. It's the end of July. I recorded the plan with me, I don't know, probably mid-July, because like I said, I just love putting down stickers. So I'm putting down a habit tracker. Usually I do like tracking my cleaning. In some spreads, I've written my cleaning list as like another box under the days. I've made like a quarter box outline and written it under the days, and then really liked that. But I've been also liking using a lot of washi tape, so there's not really room if I want to put down a bunch of washi. And then I just am filling in boxes and whatnot to make this whole spread look pretty. Yeah, I'm just building up my spread, making it look nice. So I am doing this thing that I've seen people do with their weekend banner. I've never really been like a weekend banner person, but in my standard vertical, like the newer template in the shop that has washi and whatnot, I have some of these like mini washi strips, and I've seen people layer their weekend banner over it, and I thought, oh, that's cool. And that's another way to use these washi strips in my kit that I may not otherwise use. But yeah, so then I'm just going to put down things that I know. I know that trash goes out on Wednesday. I know it's the end of August, so Marcus is probably going to have water day. We are switching daycares though, so I'm not sure if they do water day on Wednesdays at the new daycare. I have no clue, so we'll have to see what that is. I thought that we were going to the closest one, but we definitely were not going to the closest one. So now we're going to switch over to a different one. But yeah, just laying down boxes, making it pretty, laying down paydays. Sometimes I like to go in and use, depending on how I feel, I'll use like the icons and deco and stuff from the kit, like the circle icons or like the trash can icons or stuff like that. And other times I'll go in and use my actual, what do you call them? Like little character stickers. It just depends, because I'm laying this down so far in advance. I don't really use character stickers. The only one I would really use is the water day. I have like character stickers that I use for Marcus marking things for daycare, and character stickers that I have when I'm trying to mark like a milestone for him. I usually leave a spot in the sidebar for like a milestone that week, or what I want to remember for that week, etc. So I will use a character sticker for that. You can see under that pink bow on my sidebar, that first like quarter or half box, that's probably where I'm going to put the milestone or what he does that week. Yeah, so then what I'm doing is I'm just spacing out boxes. I am just making the spread look nice, leaving room to write things on the page, leaving room to write things in boxes. And yeah, like sometimes I'll write things in my to-do list that are happening during the day, and sometimes I'll use those boxes to write the things that are happening, and vice versa. If I run out of room in a to-do list, I'll just write it in a box. Or if it's important and I want to remember it, I'll write it in a box and not necessarily on the to-do list. So again, just laying stickers down, making it pretty, just trying to have, a nice looking spread to look at. I know that I was talking to Zach and he was like, isn't it more of like a diary if you're kind of writing things down after the fact? And I said, well, yeah, but I'm also planning. I write the to-do list and the things that are going to happen. And there's huge debates on, when we're decorative planning or we're doing this stuff that we're doing in the planning community, what are we actually doing? And the thing I've always said is I don't give a flip. I like stickers. I want to put stickers down. If you like stickers, you want to put stickers down, you never write in your planner, that's fine. It's a perfectly valid hobby. I don't understand. But I kind of do use this as a memory keeper, as a planner, as a diary. Like I'm writing down things that I'm doing. Like I'll write stuff down. If I know something's happening on the weekend, I will mark it in my planner. If I know there's a specific date, I will mark it in my planner. If I know there's something I want to remember for the future, like when Marcus took his first steps or had his last bottle or, said mama or whatever, I'm going to write that down in there too, because I think a planner is a way to document your life no matter how you use it. If you're forward planning, if you're memory planning, if you're whatever, I think it's important to just let people do what they want to do, and use their planners the way they want to use them. What does it matter? So I think we're wrapping up here, but I think I forgot that I had this one set or one sheet from the sticker kit that had these like pointed arrow appointment boxes on it, and I really like those, so I was like, I want to use some of them, so I just sprinkled them around there. But yeah, so this is Marcus's birthday week. He's gonna be 1, and again, I just want to show you how beautiful this spread is. I don't have a plan with me on it, but I loved it. So yeah, Marcus is gonna be 1 this week. This is his planner, or this is his planner spread, I guess. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love for you to stick around and see what other kind of videos I have for you. And yeah, I will talk to my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.